Good day everyone. For today's video, gagawa po ako ng tempura. Shrimp tempura like this. Sarap. So, ganito siya ka-crispy. And kasarap, diba? Takam, yummy. So, let's start with, nilinisan ko na yung aking hipon. Like this. And then, lalagyan na rin natin siya ng salt and pepper. And then mix it. So after that, syempre, is inayos-ayos ko muna yung ating hipon. So ganyan. And i-coat natin siya sa flour na may timpla na rin yung flour and then egg. This is my first time na gumawa ako nitong ating tempura. And then breadcrumbs. So ganun lang, kasunod-sunod. So after natin siyang ma-coat like that, so ayan, tapos na, ipa-fry na natin. Sabi naman ng amo ko is masarap daw, so perfect. But for me, it's not perfect. So maybe next time nagagawa uli ako, so mas presentable na siya, diba? Pero syempre ang sarap niya, promise, masarap siya. Kuhang-kuha ko yung timpla ng tempura. Sarap. So ayan, finish na natin siyang i-fry. And syempre i-serve na natin siya. So pagkain ng aking amo and pagkain ko na rin. So yun na. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe and believer po. Thank you so much.